Well, there is a different type of construction project going on at Texas A&M Corpus Christi, more of a can-struction. It's when students are asked to design and build structures made entirely of, you see it right here, canned food. 10 teams have only 5 by 5 feet of space to make any kind of structure. It's a friendly competition between student groups and even the professors, and the winners get a $150 prize.
This is actually our first year. We're trying to start a new homecoming tradition, and so we really want to raise awareness that we have food insecurity here within our college student population.
All of the food items used today are then donated to Izzy's Food Pantry to help students on campus. We will find out who the winner is tomorrow.